Okay, now this is the old headliner. As you can see, this was the bit here that was sort of giving way a little bit. Well, the headliner itself is very sticky, very dirty actually. It looks a lot worse out of the car. As you can see, it's filthy really. They do get like that over these sort of 20 odd years, but yeah, other than that, it's not too bad in terms of the glue giving way or anything, you know, around the sunroof and around the visors. But that back bit would have just got worse and worse and worse. So, okay, and that's the old headlining, as you can see, and then this is the new one. So now we'll go and have a look at the car and what we've been doing in there. Now, as you can see, it's all stripped out now. Back and front, all the trims have been taken out, around the tops of the doors. Some visors are out. You can see the sunroof there. The material on the sunroof is first class still, so we'll just clean that. We won't take the sunroof out, disturb any more than we have to do. Sometimes they do get a bit baggy, but that one needs fine. It's got a few little dirty marks on it, but we'll get those off, no problem at all. Now, as you can see, we have a fair collection of bits and pieces, from the alarm system to bits of wiring, to screws, connectors. That's just how it goes, unfortunately. There's lots of bits and pieces to it. As you can see, we've got the main show you the main the map reading light and the sunglasses holder there, which fits. There's a module there that controls all the courtesy lights. That, as you can see, that's filthy there. We'll have to clean that before that goes on. All this goes back on again. All the sun visors are there. Yeah, so you can see it's a fair job. All the trims around the windscreen pillars have been removed as well. It's a fair job, but you know, we'll get there. So we'll do another video when we've completed it.